best strategy for beginners. In this video, we want to do live trade just with $1 in the pocket option side with this great strategy. Stay with me. Hi, I'm Mohamed Ibrahimi and here is Top Jared FX channel, and welcome to the live trade in the pocket option side. Before starting training, don't forget to like and subscribe. I need your support, my friend, for more free videos. For free signal, join my Telegram. For copy trade capacity is really limited and conditions are in Telegram. Telegram ID in the description, or you can use QR code. If you want to trade yourself, be sure to practicing demo account, or if you don't have any kind of pocket option, you can use the link in the description for create a real account, demo account, or use 50% bonus. Let's go to the chart. Okay, my friend, for this great strategy, we need 3 indicators: Keltner channel, stochastic, RSI, time frame 1 minute, and we need path of the market, my friend. Okay, settings for Keltner channel, stochastic, RSI. In the Keltner channel, when the candle touch or cut the blue line here or here, it's a signal. In the stochastic, when the blue line cut the orange line, it's a signal. In the RSI, we have a 2 frame. Break green line like this and path of the market in the RSI. For example, here, my friend, and here. Okay, my friend, let's find fresh signal. Okay, my friend, look at this here. In this point, in the path of the market, we have a mini touch here, touch or point, my friend. Mini point here, 3 point here. But we need confirm in another indicator. In this point, we have confirm in the RSI. We have a break green line. So this market moved down. Perfect, my friend, good job. First profit. Let's find another signal. Okay, my friend, look at this here. In this point, in the path of the market, we have a 2 point here, 1 point, and 2 point here. But we need confirm in another indicator. We have confirm in the Keltner channel, stochastic, RSI. RSI confirm, we have a small break here in the green line. Look at this. And confirm the path of the market here and here. So this market moved down. Perfect, my friend, good job. Another good profit. Let's find another signal. Okay, my friend, look at this here in this point. In the path of the market, we have a many point here. We need confirm in another indicator. We have confirmed the RSI break green line. Look at this. So this market move up. Perfect, my friend, good job, and those are good profit, and it was my last trade, my dear friend. Perfect, my friend, in this great live trade we managed to convert $1 into $6,000. It's great with this great strategy for beginners. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need your support, my friend, for more free videos. For free signal, join my Telegram. For copy trade capacity is really limited and condition are in Telegram. Telegram ID in the description, or you can use QR code. If you want to trade yourself, be sure to practice in demo account, or if you don't have account in the pocket option, you can use the link in the description for create a real account, demo account, or use 50% bonus. Share this video to your friends. Be sure to watch my other video. Until the next video, peace out.